Last time, we set up client DPI-SSL to protect your users from going out to the internet. But what happens when the internet comes to you? It's time for Server SSL. If you host a website, email portal, or API, hackers are constantly probing it. Server SSL decrypts that incoming traffic at the firewall to block SQL injections and malware before it even touches your server. Setting this up is completely different. Since you own the server, you don't need to force fake certificates onto users. First, you need to download the private certificate with a private key from your DNS provider, whether that be Google, Cloudflare, or GoDaddy. So for this demo, I've created a locally signed certificate to use in place of a DNS provided one. And in this demo, we're going to be using this computer as the server. So let's go ahead and install this on the local machine. Yes. Next. Enter the password. Next. Set it in the following store. Trusted root. And next. Now let's go to our firewall. We're going to go to Device, Certificates, and Import. Let's put in our certificate name. We'll just name this SonicWall Demo. Ours is a P12, so we're going to use that option. Enter the password. And let's upload it. Import. Now we need to create an address object with this computer's IP to set as the target device for Server SSL. So let's go to Object, Addresses. Let's create a new one. I'm going to name this Server. It's in the server zone. The IP is 192.168.100.10. Save that. Now let's go to Policy, DPI-SSL, and Server SSL. Now from this page, we're actually going to work bottom to top. So we're going to hit Add on the SSL servers, and we're going to select that address object we created, the server. Select the certificate we installed, and hit Add. Now in the inclusion-exclusion area, we're able to determine whether you're excluded or included from the SSL inspection determined by address objects or user objects. So we could say the entire LAN subnets are excluded from inspection. Or let's say SonicWall administrators are excluded from this as well. So that way, whenever they're doing certificate maintenance on the server itself, they don't accidentally lock themselves out. So now let's turn on all the features and hit accept. Now when you access that application hosted on that server, your data will be inspected by your DNS provider and your firewall. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to learn more on DPI-SSL, go check out my video on client inspection for deep packet inspection on your whole network.